Okay, this video is going to show you how to replace your screen on your laptop. This is a Dell Inspiron 15. 5559 is the model number. The screen was broke down here in the corner. You probably can't see it. But I watched a video on YouTube on how to replace it, and I ordered a replacement screen from laptopscreens.com. It arrived today. It's in this box. This cover normally sits right over top of here. All you have to do is put your fingers in here and pop it out. You'll hear it pop, and then you just pop this out. Be careful with these bottom ones. You have to pop them up, not out. Once you have your screen open like this, just grab the top of it and get your fingernails behind it and take out these 4 screws. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here. Just bring your screen down, and this 30-pin connector is right here. You just set your screen down on here, pull this tape up off of here. There's a 30-pin connector right here. You slide it back towards the computer and it pops out. Once you have that out, that's your old broken screen. You set that aside. This is the new screen. Came like this today. Priority mail. Comes in this little FedEx thing. Open it up. There's your brand new screen. Make sure when you order your screen that you have the same pin connector here as you are in your last one. Once you have it, there's a screen protector on the bottom here. You start pulling it up just to have a grasp of it. Set it down flat on your computer like this. Take your 30-pin connector again. Get it close here. Pull up your tape. Put your 30-pin connector back in so it clicks, and then push the tape back down. Once you have that, flip your screen up. There are little holes right here, here, and here. There's little pins sticking out that hold your laptop screen in place. Remember to take your little thing and hold it up. Take your 4 little screws, or little Phillips screws. Remember to take your protective coating off of the screen. Set that aside. Take your cover, put it back on. Be very careful. You don't want to break any of the pins off. You'll hear it click as it goes on. Okay, and that's it. There's your brand new screen. I'm not a computer whiz or genius, but that's about as simple as you can get working with a computer besides turning it on. Laptopscreens.com provided the screen. I ordered on Wednesday, it arrived on Friday, and it's back together now. Once you're done, take your battery, put it back in, and you're finished. Voila, there's your brand new screen. And that's the end of the video. Thank you very much.